Welcome to the 1988 Northwest Seaplane Championships, Pine Hollow Reservoir, west of Pie Valley, Oregon. This is Captain Bill Racer's ducted fan seaplane.
Perfect.
How many hit you flying the big one?
Bill is a 747 captain for Northwest Airlines, and this is his first ducted fan seaplane.
Hey, Bill, this lake's almost not big enough for you to land that. Beautiful.
Greg Ernst.
Famous
biplane.
Greg Ernst. Famous follow. Now Greg says this is going to be prototype landing. We accept.
On camera, just remember.
Give me some taxi shots first, Steve.
Oh, there it goes.
Forget it.
Full throttle.
Steve Milos, Aero Commander.
Oh, they'll land that too. Yeah, that's good.
This, Sherry, look, see this? That was inside the float down over here. This was out to here.
Drop on another boat.
No, hit the water.
Shut the motor off.
Reservoir. 1988. 20th annual.
Yeah. 20 years we've been flying seaplanes, guys.
How well we can duplicate the prototype.
Barry
airplane
McGill, the
flight.
contest director for
A J3
1988.
fly like it's almost falling out of the air or floating so it'll never fall out of the air. And you know, Bachman's got a Machi, what's the number on it?
Bill?
72.
It's been so long since I looked at
That
it.
thing never did go slow, and then, except when it was trying to take off and winding up with a high-pitched propeller.
You look at it. You right.
This is headquarters, brain center,
How do you like this?
20th anniversary.
How you like that?
What's that? What are you talking about?
Too many of these.
Let's see that. Pull that down so I can read it.
You ready?
Pull on
All
your
right.
stomach so you can read it.
It's H-E-N-S-E-F. You need the first name too?
Okay. Give us some words of advice.
The famous Dick River in his Hankel seaplane.
Back down.
Kingfisher.
Been flying your airplane?
This is one you're flying for 2 weeks.
I got it. Hey,
Famous
that's
Jim
it.
Weaver.
That'll make your battery go dead. Dick, hold that pose. I'll take your picture. ...1988, after 20 years, here we are.
Bernal Briggs Hankel.
Beautiful. Oh.
Putting those waves.
Idaho. Either Paul Schultz's or Steve Milos, they both have them.
Okay, the next flyer here Ron Ray from Clarkston.
Oh, once, yeah.
I think that's what
Another seaplane?
Clark Fiber.
Take off parallel to the waves.
Ron Ray from Clarkson, Washington. PBY Catalina. Well, here we are.
Chief cook and bottle washer.
Nelson,
That'll be the
Nelson?
day.
Nelson, turn around for a second.
take a bow, man. Take a bow. Nelson's our chief cook. An aircraft and radio raffle winner. Boy, that sure smells good. Are we having fun now, guys? Is this first class AAA food? Saturday night barbecue for contestants and their families, included in the entry fee. All right, you guys, smile. Yeah, look at this lineup. There ain't gonna be any food left for us hard workers. This is what happens when you come to Pine Hall. Things can go wrong. What is this? You giving up already?
At least it survived it.
Okay. Hey, yeah, get some down. This is 1-to-1 scale, Stinson station wagon.
If you don't have an airplane,
Fifth place, Ed Westwood.
this way, there's some guys still want to take a show on camera. It's an amazing. And that fine trophy. We want to have a picture of you in the airplane.
We're going to get
He was out
Bernal.
of commission for a while. For those that don't know it, he got into a serious accident and had his thumbs tied back for a while.
Jim,
Hey, you don't believe
Jim,
it, so give
third
it to me.
place. Third place.
If you don't want it, I'll take it.
Yeah, if you don't want it, Jim, we'll take it.
Steve Milos, second place.
Hang on, they want to take the picture too.
He's flying out there.
First place, Paul. Paul Schultz.
In fact, I think they all done fantastic. Even this guy down here, way down here in third.
Guys, I'm gonna have to get back quite a ways to get your shot.
So am I.
You're on the way back, Dave.
Yeah,
way back.
Dick River, you around?
Over here, Steve.
You should have made that last half a loop.
Yeah, Dick, airplane.
How's that thing working?
Where's Paul?
Bob Mullane on the left, our news
that right,
editor.
Bob?
Mr. Scribe. On our right, our treasurer,
After the contest.
Bill Ely. Is this the time we sit and relax? Chief Executive Officer of Proctor Enterprises, Aurora, Oregon. Are we having fun yet?
Yes.
Richard Heining. There's Paul Schultz, the winner of the 20th Annual Seaplane Championship.
That's why, but in the air, you get all that in my ears and everything. It was a lot better. Taking off, I did.
This is our 1988 champion Northwest Seaplane flyer. These are his cohorts right here.
The Model 35. We're trying to figure out a handicap for Paul for next year. Yeah, that's right. He's gonna have to fly with his toes. Mode 2. We're gonna take a
Mode 2. No going backwards in this game. No going backwards.
Hey Dick, did you hear that? He turned the camera off. Did you see?
I'm reading it right now. I don't see it.
Racer Bob, 9th place. Hanson Dick, 11th place.
Oh yeah.
Somebody told me I came in 16th.
No, 11.
Bob O came in 16th.
You talk about. I heard you guys talking about the drag of that window.
Here we are at the sod farm about 2 or 3 years ago for the test flight of the Newport 28 quarter-scale aircraft, Chinese Twin Star 240 engine.
Ready.
17.5 pounds.
Hands off.
Was it really?
Yeah, well, I let go right up there. I had it finished.
Museum was just opened today. This is the Pearson Air Park Museum in Vancouver, Washington. Beautiful piece of restoration, just beautiful. Hawker Hurricane. What?